In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a testimonial slider in Wix. Testimonials are a great way to build trust and show real feedback from your customers, and adding them is really simple. First, open your site in the Wix Editor. Once you're inside the editor, look at the menu on the left side of the screen and click Add. This is where you can insert new elements into your website. Now scroll down and select Strip. A strip is just a full-width section you can use to organize content on your page. Inside the strip options, scroll until you find the testimonial presets. These are pre-designed sections that already look professional and are perfect for showcasing reviews. Choose a testimonial strip you like. Then drag it onto your page and place it wherever you want, for example, on your home page or services page. Next, click on the strip to edit it. You can change the text to include real testimonials from your customers, update names, and adjust any details you want to highlight. If your template includes images, you can replace them with customer photos to make it feel even more authentic. You can also customize fonts, colors, and layout so the testimonials match your website's design. And that's it. You've successfully added a testimonial slider to your Wix website, helping you build credibility and connect more effectively with your audience. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.